Here I am with another potato video, but I guarantee you, I ain't seen an issue like we got. I mean, how many issues are there that could possibly come up for potted plants that could potentially ruin your harvest? I didn't know, but now I do. And I got to show you guys exactly what happened, and at the end of the video, I might even give you a hint about what's coming to fix that issue. Hey guys, it's your boy Big Wheel Dog 82 in the soil. And I know I just recently put up a potato harvest video. And I guarantee you this one is not going to be anything like that last one. For the first thing, everything looked fine. I mean, I was getting ready to harvest this pod and I was going to add it to that video. And then I was like, nah, let's just give it a little bit more time, wait for it to die back a little bit. So all in all, it was probably about a week between the harvest video and then the video you guys are about to see now. And I sort of kind of am glad that I found out about it now because, like I said, this is nuts, and it's the very first time that I've dealt with a problem of this magnitude. So you guys take a look, see what's going on, and I'll be back with you here in a minute once this video is done. Okay guys, let's go ahead. Step one to harvesting this pot is getting rid of all of these stems. As you can see, they're all pretty much dying. So we're gonna go ahead and do this, that way I can get moving on to doing other plantings. Alright, so we got all that. We're going to stick this stuff over here. Alright, we're bringing back the bucket to put the straw into. Of course, weeds galore, but it's not going to be a problem here in just a little bit because we're going to be pulling all this. So we're just trying to get all the straw off. And that'll either be used, oh snap, I see holes. That means that a mouse more likely has gotten into here and may have already eaten up all my potatoes. You've got to be kidding me. Looks like your boy's gonna have to figure out something else to do to keep the vole/mice from getting into my pots, because they're pissing me off. I'm gonna look under the bottom real quick to see if there's a bigger hole than. Oh, no, I see where it went in. It went in through one of these square spots. Son of a. Yeah, I'm gonna have to definitely do something to figure that out. Alright, now that we've got that situation covered, then what we'll do next is I'll move you guys over here so we can get a shot of while I'm doing this. We are now set up. I'll put this upside down. Alrighty, let's tap it out. And let's see if we can see the burrows. Oh yeah, there's all kinds of burrows in here. Well, at least I know that if there's no taters in here that are worth doing, it's because it's stupid vole. Yeah, there's all kinds of tunnels over here and networks. I've got some learning to do to figure out what I'm going to do as far as to keep this from happening again. Oh well. Ain't no way to tell what the damage is. To just go in and inspect. Got some taters. Alright, I'm not expecting this to be a huge harvest or anything now, just because of the damage this thing's done. Hold on for a second, I gotta run inside. Alright. Let's see, I mean, these aren't bad sized potatoes, but they're not good sized potatoes either. We got a little bit of green in on that one. I should have put in more. Ah, see, yep. Thing's been eating good. Oh, man. Come on. Small potatoes. And yeah, I need to be letting the soil go through, so I'm going to sift this too. I'm going to pull a few more potatoes, and then I'm going to go ahead and do all the harvesting and sifting, and then show you guys what we've got. I found a bunch of potatoes here. Let's see if these are going to be any good. Well, these are untouched. That's a decent sized one that's untouched. Oh, I was mistaken. I don't know, I can't tell. I'll have to wash that one off. But yeah, we're not going to have a whole lot of luck this time, I feel. Alright, yep, see? Decent sized one. Yep. Alright, like I said, I'm going to stop the video now and go ahead and go through this pile, and I'll show you guys what I got once I'm done. Okay, it's not much of a harvest to really brag about. These are really the only potatoes that the vole did not touch, but all of these over here are the ones that it did. So I'd say about half of the potential potatoes that I could have had are not worth anything now because it's nibbled on it, other than freezing them and then feeding them to my worm bins. So the worms got more food now, and I've got less. And then I've got to get on my plan of making sure I can keep the voles out of these pots now. So if it was trying to put itself on the endangered species list in my yard, it has succeeded, because one way or another it will be eradicated, because I'm not dealing with this. I don't know why this year had to be specifically. Maybe I've just been growing long enough, it finally honed them in. But I was going to try to go non-lethal on them, but nope, not anymore. Changed my mind. So that's where we are with this pot. Like I said, guys, it was nuts. I did not think that the voles were going to mess with my potted potatoes. I had seen them on my side bed, and my side bed is like right next to those pots, and it's only the big pots that I had. So my garlic had them in it. Both, I had 2 containers of that, and then my big pot of potatoes had it in it. So I got some ideas, because this is not happening again. Not in my pots. I depend on my pots way too much for my harvest, so anything like voles or mice that want to get in there, they're going to have to work for it. And guess what? I got pretty easy solution, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it too. If you've got pots that are just like the ones I've got, with the same size holes for drainage, this is going to be important for you too, because like I said, you might not have them right now, but you leave them there long enough and they'll obviously find it. So for this video, I'm out of here. You guys have a good one. And as always, I'm your boy, Big Wheel Dog 82, in the soil. And I'll see you guys shortly. All right? Bye.